The Waterdrop Mega Spin Down filter offers a 2-in-1 sediment and whole house filtration system, ideal for saving space while ensuring clean water throughout your home. Equipped with a robust 100-micron stainless steel mesh and a pleated polyester filter, this system efficiently captures impurities like rust, silt, and sand, ensuring high-quality water filtration. The filter's versatility allows for adjustments based on water quality, offering a flexible solution for both well and city water users, with a lifespan that can extend up to 6 months. Installation and maintenance are simplified with dual-thread fittings and a bypass valve, allowing easy operation and management of various filtration modes. Real-time monitoring is possible thanks to the filter's transparent design, which showcases the filter status and includes a reference chart for tracking the filter's lifespan. Built to withstand extreme conditions, the filter offers high safety standards with resistance to pressure surges and freezing temperatures, ensuring durability and reliability.